Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the FASTX Lightning to 3.5mm adapter. This is a lightning adapter for your 3.5 connectivity. This is aimed primarily at Apple devices which does not have 3.5mm ports. So you can use this adapter to attach 3.5mm devices like headphones or speakers, etc. or even mics. There is almost no information on this box outside manufacturer information. So let's open this and show you what's inside. So there you go. This is what you get. This is a warranty card from the company. This warranty card from the company from FASTX. There is a instruction right over here which says, "Dear buyer, kindly know that this product works with Bluetooth. So we suggest you keep your Bluetooth function on while using this connector." So this is the adapter in question. This is the Lightning to 3.5mm adapter. The idea is that you attach it to an iPhone or iPad, wherever you want to attach it to, and then you connect this to Bluetooth to make sure that it functions properly. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box. Thank you for watching.